Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to remove AirDrop from iPhone Control Center iOS 18. So if you want to take down or remove the AirDrop feature on your iPhone Control Center just like this, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't want to see AirDrop again in the Control Center, so you can go to your iPhone settings to enable or use the AirDrop, then you learn how you can remove it in this video. So if I don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to remove AirDrop from iPhone Control Center on iOS 18, all you just need to do is scroll to the Control Center, press and hold empty space on the Control Center just like this, and then scroll to where you have connectivity or the AirDrop, and then click on the negative icon to remove it. Once that's removed, this is going to remove connectivity feature including Wi-Fi, AirDrop, Bluetooth, as well as the hotspot. Then go ahead and click on Add the control. You need to re-add all this manually. Now, once you scroll to connectivity, click on AirPlay mode to add it manual, add the control, click on mobile data under connectivity. Again, scroll down to connectivity, click on personal hotspot, and you can also add Bluetooth if you've not added Bluetooth as a control personally on your control center. Then once you're done, click outside. Now you discover that the AirDrop is no longer visible here. Now you can now go ahead, turn on your mobile data, use Bluetooth, then use hotspot, and then AirPlay mode. Now, the only disadvantage you have here while you remove AirDrop from the control center is you'll not be able to add the Wi-Fi widget personally to the control center on your iPhone. So if you want to add the Wi-Fi widget personally, you need to add the connectivity box. So that is basically how to remove AirDrop from iPhone Control Center iOS 18. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.